Okay, so I'm going to talk a little bit about the uh, SMTP credentials file. So SMTP, I think it stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. And just in layman's terms, we need it for this because it's going to enable us to make sure that the emails are delivered to your customers' inboxes and don't either get stopped before they get to your customers' mail account or possibly land in like a spam or a junk. We want to give them the best chance to get right into the inbox so they see them right there. So we set up an SMTP file which allows us to go through a relay, which is something like, you can Google this, something like maybe SendGrid would be a good one. So if you just type in SMTP relay, you should be able to find like lots of results. So you can set up your own, but for now, you're going to be using ours, and we use Amazon's simple email service as our SMTP relay. So I'm just going to show you how this button works, and you should honestly never need to touch it, but there may be some circumstances where you want to use your own SMTP relay, and you can call me and discuss that with me and let me know, or maybe you can just do it yourself if you know what you're doing. So all you need to do to get rid of this SMTP file is to click on delete, and then you're going to push delete SMTP. And then what's going to happen is it's going to take you back and it's going to present you with this page right here as soon as you delete it. Okay, so it'll tell you you need an SMTP relay file required. Without this file, you will not be able to send emails. Your emails will not send. So what you'll need to do here is you'll need to, you should be able to get this information from SendGrid or whatever email SMTP relay service you use. Excuse me. So you need to enter all this stuff such as a host name or endpoint name. They'll give you a username, a password, and then you'll need a port number. I give some examples over here of what the mail ports will be and the other information as well. So it's likely going to be 465 or 587 for the port number. And you can choose the mail security type, which will likely be, I'm guessing it's going to be TLS, but it might be something else. And that'll be based on your provider. And then you'll probably need an email account associated with the SMTP relay that you have to put in there as well. So all you need to do is just put this in, just like the database connection we did, and create an SMTP file, click on the button, and you're good to go. If you were to delete this for some reason by accident, then you're going to have to call us, and we're going to have to give you new SMTP credentials. So do not delete your SMTP file unless you know what you're doing. See ya.